Welcome to the installation video, Fishbone Off-Road's Piranha front bumper for Jeep's 1976 to 1986 CJ7 and 1987 to 1996 YJ Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's existing factory bumper and frame cover. Step 2. Slide the Piranha bumper onto the vehicle's bumper rails. Step 3. Loosely install the top 4 bolts and washers to hold the bumper in place. The CJ will use the 4 inner holes, and the YJ will use the 4 outer holes. The same rule applies to the 2 underside bolts. For the CJ, before inserting the 2 underside bolts and washers, slide the support plate between the rail and the bumper. Ensure the bumper is aligned properly. Step 4. Using a 19mm socket or wrench, begin tightening down each bolt, ensuring the bumper doesn't rock or slide in any direction. Step 5. Install your set of D-rings by sliding them in place, followed by securing it with its accompanying bolt. Once all the hardware has been secured, it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road CJ and YJ Piranha front bumper.